Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm thinking to do the face for hairstyle. I have not yet prepared, even though it's not required. Whatever video I am making, I am doing on the spot, or whatever there in my mind, I am just explaining you. So today also I have not yet prepared, but whatever is there in my mind I'll tell you. And in case anything is left after my video, I realize, then I'll make another video also. So I'll not leave anything, I'll share everything with you all. So let's go for the video. In my previous video I think I have explained you that also, but I'll go little detail in this. Suppose you want to make a character and you don't know how to construct the face and what shape you will take. It's very crucial in the beginning stage that will it look the character what you want or not. So what we'll do, we'll take some shapes like so these are few shapes I have drawn here, and I'll make some faces out of these. So let's get into it. First one here. So what I'll do the eyes first. Sorry for this, actually power cut is there. So I have shown you all the shapes and the characters out of these shapes. So I hope you can understand, like, there is nothing to worry about. Any shape you can make your character, but it's not like that you have to make the character out of that shape. You should think the character what you have thought of, it should be in some shape. Suppose I'll tell you what I want to explain you is this, that if I'm thinking some character, fat character, this is a fat character, I hope it's visible. Yeah, so I'll find some shape so that while designing this same character in animation, it will not that much difficult for the animator. Even suppose you are doing the animation of this character, then you should think the shape so that to maintain this character will be easy. Like, this is egg shape character, okay, as a whole. But if you want to differentiate the parts like the head shape, the body shape and the leg shape, that is also a different thing. So you need to find out what your character looks like. Suppose one character is there, very simple, or let me draw it very clearly so that it will visible to you. Okay, so this is the character. It's the shape of an egg as a whole. If you want to differentiate, then here also one egg shape is there, okay, and this is simple. So this is the shape of this character. And another one I'll give you. Suppose a character is there, very thin character. So this is another one I have drawn for you, and this is a shape. You can take it as this. So it's very simple. Here one rectangle, you can say, here one rectangle, and here two rectangles. So every character has its own shape and we need to find out. This I told you as a whole, but we are talking about the face shape. Whenever I will design a character, I'll make a face shape first and then I'll think, suppose it's a fat character, then I'll make like this, little roundish, and then I'll put the eyes, nose, okay. If a thin character is there, then I'll try to make a straight. And if some character is there, normal character, but the client has asked you to do some shape out of that, then also it's not a problem. So there is no boundary for your cartoon character, as the cartoon characters are the imaginary character of your mind. So don't feel afraid like it will look good or not. Just you draw it and color it, then you will find the character more appealing. So practice these type of things and let me know if it's working out for you or not. I hope I have covered all the shapes over here. If you think some shapes are remaining, or you think you want to give me some shape to design a character, you can give it in my email ID, that is rkart83@gmail.com. Share your drawings with me and what improvement you are doing and what are the things you are facing, problems or issues in your character designing. Please let me know in my mail and feel free to contact with me. And please subscribe my video and like my video. One request to you is that please share my video in your Facebook or some other social platform so that I'll get more views. I'm not getting that much views, and if you like it then only you do it, otherwise it's not that much mandatory. So that's it for now. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.